The circular economy maintains the value of products, materials, and resources for as long as possible. In a circular economy, critical materials are managed to minimize waste throughout their life cycle and maximize their reuse and recycling. As of 2019, the percentage of secondary materials used in manufacturing and construction activities was approximately 9%. However, even if the potential for resource recovery was fully harnessed, our current economic structure only allows for an estimated circularity of between 30 and 40% of all materials. Therefore, to achieve our clean energy transition goals, global production and consumption systems must be restructured. Knowing this, we must rethink how we design and deliver goods and services by creating new business models, which have their foundation in circular principles. To start, embedding eco-design principles in our businesses would help by prioritizing more sustainable designs and better planning for extension of life and disassembly.